What's up viewers, Eric from BeatSonic. We just finished installing this plug-and-play Apple CarPlay Android Auto interface on this 2015 Sienna SE with navigation and without JBL. So I'm gonna do a demonstration of how everything works and all that good stuff. So let's get started. So now you're seeing the factory screen just as is. All your functionality and everything will retain, but now you have Apple CarPlay. So how do we go to the Apple CarPlay mode? We have a iPhone and Android, so I'm gonna show you both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So from the menu, you wanna put your car into auxiliary mode because that's where all your sound's gonna come in through. Say that you keep it in like FM or satellite radio. Even if you go into Apple CarPlay mode, your FM radio or satellite radio is going to continue to play depending on what mode you left it at before we switch it over to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So we want to hear the sounds from the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto device, so we want to switch it into AUX, auxiliary mode. So once we do that, you want to go and double tap your power button. Not too fast, but in a very slow manner. And once you do that, you'll see a screen that says System Ready. We use an optional USB harness, so we can actually utilize the factory USB connection. And whatever you connect to it, it will automatically detect the phone and display either the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. So for our first example, we are going to connect the Apple CarPlay device. And as soon as we connected our iPhone, it switched over to the Apple CarPlay device automatically. And the first time you connect it on your phone, you will have to allow the connection to this Apple CarPlay Android Auto device. And there's some buttons that you have to press and unlock your phone before you do so. But once you do it once, the phone will remember. And all the subsequent connections after that will come on automatically without any button. You just connect it. And as you can see here, this is the actual Apple CarPlay that's being displayed. And all the Apple CarPlay approved applications that you have installed on your phone will display as well. So on my personal phone, I do have the Google Maps. I also have Waze, I have Pandora. Those are the main applications that I'll be using while driving. So let me just show you a little bit of an example. So we go to Waze. Everything is working using the factory touchscreen.
Then turn left on Beach Boulevard.
And as you can hear over there, all the turn-by-turn direction will be audible through the factory speakers. So while you have the navigation on, obviously you want some sort of music player on. And then the factory volume control will work. And likewise for any other applications such as Google Maps will work the same. And then all the other applications will work normally. If you want to make a phone call.
Do you want to call?
Another thing, if you want to hear some messages.
Would you like to hear your unread messages? Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Now you can reply to messages hands-free just using Siri. And if you have some podcasts that you want to listen to, you can do so as well. I have some pretty cool podcasts. So all the applications that you would need to use while your vehicle is being driven is all here. So it makes it very, very convenient. So that's the demonstration for Apple CarPlay. Let me try now the demonstration for our Android Auto. So I'm going to unplug my Apple CarPlay device on the same factory USB port. And now I will connect my Samsung S9 Plus using a standard USB to Type-C from the factory USB port. So show you how the screen looks. First time you connect it, it's gonna tell you welcome to Android Auto, unlock to continue. All right, and now it's in Android Auto mode. So you could just lock away your phone, and while your phone is locked, and while everything is going on, since your phone is connected to the USB, it will be charging. And then whenever you wanna go back to your factory screen, all you have to do is go to your power button and just press it twice, and it'll take you back, and everything will be normal. And if you want to go back to your Apple CarPlay, just double click again, it'll take you back just like that. All right, well that concludes our demonstration for our Apple CarPlay Android Auto interface for Toyota models. If you have any questions, send us an email at info@beatsonicusa.com or ask questions below. And don't forget to press that subscribe button below. Thank you very much.